Oh my god, look at those eggs. This to another level, guys. What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Omar, and this is Omar Over Fire. You guys have been asking for this, and we're gonna make it. This is called the Mexican Cowboy dinner or breakfast, whatever you want. This is our second video for our Western forgotten food. We're gonna start with the bacon. We're gonna cut these beautiful pieces of bacon in half, and we're gonna put it in a skillet pan to sizzle. We're gonna add a little bit of water. We're gonna add chorizo. We're gonna add some onions, tomatoes. I'm gonna use these things right here. Here, I found them at Costco, okay? This is the bacon and white cheddar cheese. I have 2 potatoes and we're gonna shred them so we can have some nice crispy hash brown, guys. That bacon smells really good. Just so you know, bacon is one of those ingredients that if you don't like it, you don't have to add it to it, just so you know. But I really love bacon. I do. So if you love bacon like me, you're gonna be adding a lot of that. This dish requires bacon and it turns it really good. Trust me. Tell you what, today is Sunday. Here in Kansas City, it's hot. We're gonna cut some onions real quick, and we want our onions to be just like this. We're gonna do our tomatoes, and we're gonna do them the same way. It's time to remove our bacon and put it to the side. We're gonna use this chorizo right here. When I purchase chorizo like this, I always like to get rid of the skin like this. I just use my knife and cut it off. After we cut the skin, we put it in our pan. What we're making right now, even to this day, people will still make it. This here, we're gonna chop it off in a little round pieces. To that, we're gonna add some cheese, and we're gonna use mozzarella. Once you add the cheese, just make it like this, kind of like building a bed. And then what you do, put your bacon in there. Just like this. You can add more bacon if you want to. That's plenty for me. And then we add all of our sausage. Just kind of space them out so they won't be all in one place. We put some onions in there. And then I like jalapeños. So what I'm gonna do, I want to slice them in long slices, and then we're going to put them in it like this. Just like that. We want to put our potatoes right up on top of it, just like this. Again, you're going to make a bed with your potatoes, okay? Just like this. Remember, I use 2 potatoes for this. Just like that. And then we're gonna add more cheese. Now all you gotta do is spread cheese all over up on top of this, and that's good. Now this, I'm gonna cover it up with this, just like that. And I'll cover it up with aluminum foil. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some coals on top of the aluminum. And now we wait. I wanted to show you this. Look at what we got, guys. Look at this. This right here, I'm going to be showing you what we're going to do with this, but we're going to be using it as a chopping board. We're not going to do that on this video. I'm going to save it for the next one, okay? But I just wanted to show you that now we're going to have a nice chopping board. So the story behind this thing is I just found it on the side of the road, and it was a big stump, okay? And me and a friend of mine, we were like, oh, look, you know, I can use this. So we stopped, and that thing was heavy, really heavy. So we stopped, we picked it up, put it in the back of the truck, brought it back to our company, right? The place that we work for. And we sliced it in a few pieces, so I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4. I was able to get 5 pieces out of that. I think we got 6 pieces out of that. They're really nice, about 4 inches thick, each one of them. They're really nice, perfect size for chopping board. But we gotta cure them, so I'm gonna show you that on the next video. Let's make a drink, shall we? Look at this. We are going to make ourselves a drink. I like ice, lots of ice. I put 2 pieces of lime, tequila, that much. And if you've been following me, you know that I like this tequila. I always have, okay? And then we're gonna use choriquesos. Ooh. Try that again. That much. And salt. Not too much, just a little bit of salt. That's it. Just a little bit of salt. And then this here, I really like this. Okay? This is Via de Sanchez. You can find this in any Mexican store. Look at that thing. Yep. Look at that. Like that. I'm gonna squeeze some lime. Take one of this and put it right here on the side. Cheers, my friends. Oh my God. This is really good. In Mexico, they used to call them vampiros. So, they are really good. Oh my goodness. Now we want to put 3 eggs in it. There's 2. There's 3. Now, yes, it should have more because it's a cowboy breakfast, right? But I'm the only one here. So 3 eggs is more than enough for me. Probably 1 egg would be enough. But we're gonna put 3 eggs. Then we want to cover it up again. Just like that. Somebody asked me in the comments then, when am I gonna be cooking on the ground? Well, your wish will be granted here pretty soon. And just to give you guys a little bit of insight, over in the back over there, we're gonna be building something so we can make an authentic Mexican barbacoa, okay? We're not gonna dig a hole like most people do. Instead of digging a hole, we're gonna build something up above ground. Then we're gonna fill it up with dirt, and we're gonna get it set up like an oven. We're gonna be working on that here pretty soon. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh my God, look at those eggs. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh wow, this is beautiful, guys. Look at that. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, guys. Now, I don't know if you noticed this, but I didn't put any salt on this, okay? And the reason why I didn't put any salt, because chorizo, bacon, and the sausage that I put in there, those are salty enough, I think, okay? If I need to put any salt afterwards, then that's fine. Cheers, let's try it. Guys, this is, it's hot. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's just to tell you that anything you cook outside in the outdoors is gonna be great. This dish right here is to another level, guys. Really, really good. This here is one of those forgotten foods that you don't find them anywhere, guys. This right here is the cowboy hash, the cowboy breakfast, the Mexican cowboy breakfast. Well, guys, thank you so much for being here with me today. Thank you. I appreciate everything you guys are doing. Look at this beautiful, beautiful breakfast, beautiful dinner. You guys gotta try this. Thank you so much. This is all I got for you guys. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.